Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Tiruvananthapuram? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Tiruvananthapuram. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They'll assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have DOTS Academy. DOTS stands for Development of Thoughts and built to cater excellent quality education for those who are preparing themselves for the competitive examination like SSC. Moreover, the fee structure is good and very affordable according to the facilities they caters. There is well-maintained infrastructure and the faculty are highly experienced and handle their students according to their capability. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. So the address of the institute is MRRA B8 Ambuja Vilasam Road 1 Chur Tiruvananthapuram Kerala 695035. Their contact number is 09539019861. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of Rs 22,500 for 6 months and 1 year support. Their batch size is 30 to 40 students in a batch. At rank 4, we have Mahendra's Educational Private Limited. Mahendra's Educational Private Limited is located in Tiruvananthapuram and is holding its position at number 4 in this top SSC coaching center in Tiruvananthapuram. Further, the infrastructure is highly furnished and the fee structure is affordable and their study booklets is also of top notch. This is Mahindra Educational and got all the digital and smart equipment for your excellent preparation. Now let us discuss the contact details. So the address of Mahendra's Educational Private Limited in Tiruvananthapuram is Deepa Arcade, 3rd floor Convent Road near General Hospital Junction 1 Chur Tiruvananthapuram Kerala 695035. Their contact number is 09645415029. Okay friends, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute is a sum of Rs 6,700 for 4 months and their batch size is 40 to 50 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Aptitude Trivandrum. Aptitude Trivandrum is the brainchild of Mr. Biju S. Nair and this academy is on number 5 in this top SSC coaching center in Tiruvananthapuram. Further, the main purpose of the academy is to help those students who really want to achieve or secure their seats in the banking sector. Even the batch size is small and excellently built according to the students' need. The faculty is the team of professionalism worshippers and highly experienced at their work, even cleared minimum 2 competitive exam tests. In addition to this, Aptitude helps more than 100 students to achieve their dream job. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. So the address of Aptitude Trivandrum is Kohinoor Flat, Luke's Lane, Pulimudu, Tiruvananthapuram, Kerala 695001. Their contact number is 0989541439. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute is Rs 23,000 and this is till selection. The batch size of the institute includes 25 to 30 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Thiruvananthapuram. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.